Are we here? Guys, I don't know if we're here or not. Let me know if you guys are in the chat. I need to get some water. This is ridiculous. Let me know if we're here before we even get started. But Streamlabs is not working right today. There's no Twitch stream going on. The multi-streaming is completely messed up right now. So if we're here and you guys can hear me, let me know and then we can get started. All right, good to go. Dark Bro says we're good to go. If anybody else is in the chat right now, let me know if we're good to go or not to go. And then we'll move on because, my gosh, dude, YouTube wasn't loading up the stream. Twitch wasn't loading up the stream. Nobody was loading up the stream. Finally got it to work. Hey, everything is good beside it saying Dark Bro beat me. Ah, Chris, man. You know what? You might have had him in the first 3 attempts at the live stream I made here. No idea, but we got Dark Bro, F-I-R-S. D's in the chat, baby. What's going on, Peter D's, Dark Bro, Nick F? Good morning to you. 112,000 subscribers. I've been waiting for that moment. You guys have no idea how hard of a battle it's been since 100. It's been almost a year since I cracked 100, guys. September was 100. And we're at 112. So it has actually been a very, very slow year for cryptocurrency and stock growth, man. But here we are sitting at 112. We're continuing to push on through. Nick F, thank you for pointing out the fact that we did hit 112 this morning. Lemon Lust, what's going on, man? D's, Dark Bro, Peter. We got Lemon Lust, Dark Bro, Peter, Dark Bro, D's, Chris. Good morning to you, Chris. Kalani, Dark Bro, and Kalani. Thought there wasn't going to be a live today. Kalani, man, no, there might not be a live this afternoon. I actually haven't decided if we're going to do an afternoon live stream or not because the stock market does close at the end of this live stream. So there's not going to be any after hours action, and I'm sure there's going to be pretty subdued cryptocurrency action going on. So we may just kind of start the I don't know, 4th of July, or I don't know, not vacation, but maybe just start the 4th of July celebration a little bit early today. And, you know, we might not do an afternoon live stream. Haven't really decided that one yet. But Mustafa, thank you very much for subscribing to the channel. If you haven't done so already, please click that subscribe button, guys. But I guarantee the 13 that are in here are subscribed to the channel. But yeah, dude, I was beginning to think there wasn't going to be no live stream this morning either because it was not working. Streamlabs would not do any sort of multi-streaming. And I know I didn't cancel my payment for multi-streaming service, so I got to see if that's working or not. So I'm going to have to look at that a little bit later. Bros, what's going on, Kalani? Chris, 2 times in a row, baby. Thought there wasn't live? Yes, there is. Beat everyone 3 times in a row. Dark Bros, fast. 3 times this morning. Because there's light. Then there's the speed of dark, baby. Join us. Become a bro. You're here every single day. What is going on with this, man? Why are people subscribing right now? I think it's very strange, guys. I think YouTube does throttle and de-throttle the subscribers for some reason. Guy named Abe just subscribed to the channel. I mean, you guys are always in here, right? You know that these names are not popping up on the screen as frequent as they are right now. That's 2 in the last 3 minutes and 30 seconds. So, thank you. If you're in here, if you're watching a video, appreciate you and appreciate YouTube for finally letting people subscribe to the channel. Slayer! 5 months of bro, baby. I was secretly first. Dark Bro. Slayer was secretly first, man. First with the member chat, that's a fact. But he was secretly first in the live stream. He just wanted to let you get first comment in the live stream. Slayer, man, thank you very much for that member chat. 5 months of bro, baby. Looking good there. Just subscribe to your channel. But woo! Abe is in here. What is going on, Abe? Thank you very much for subscribing to the channel, dude. Welcome. I don't know how you found the channel. I don't know if you just found the live stream or what the deal is. Absolutely appreciate it, dude. We got 18 people in here right now. You guys are 18 quality people. Make sure you get a nice welcome to Abe for just subscribing to the channel. Abe, man, welcome, and you found your home, dude. You're gonna love it here, I promise. It's a little weird, but it's a lot of fun. You're gonna be doing good. Congrats, Slayer. What's up, everybody? What's going on, Slayer? Lemon Lust, Slayer, since 5 months. Absolutely. Thank you, Lemon. Thank you, D's. Definitely. And guys, I don't know what you're doing, man. Welcome, Abe. There. Welcome, Gabe. It is Abe, but Gabe shall do, Chris. Your name is Abe. We are going to call you Gabe. Thank you very much. Chris, Lemon Lush, you guys are awesome, man. Let's take a look at the market real quick, see what's going on today. If you guys are unaware, all right, the market is closing early today. Slayer JC with the member chat, man, that is coming in slow today. All right, nonetheless, AMC sitting up $4.47 on the top left-hand side of the screen right now. It is up slightly on the day, but it was doing better this morning, about $4.60, pulling back a little bit, might be curling back up. So, like I was saying before I got into AMC there, the market is closing today at 1 p.m. Eastern time, so there's only 49 minutes left in the market, and then tomorrow the market is going to be closed. So if you guys are looking at making any trades to start the week off, you're either going to have to wait till Wednesday or you're going to need to get them in the next 48 minutes. If you're doing any options, anything like that, make sure that you're looking at it right now or you're comfortable waiting until Wednesday. Oh, man. I didn't even know you could move those. That was an accident. Now I just learned something. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 772 points right now, 0.78% higher on the day. GameStop 24.44 up just slightly, 0.76%. It is down at 24.38. Bitcoin sitting at 30,977. Ooh, Bitcoin tapping that 31 again, wicking up. But you guys know we need to see Bitcoin down or up above this 30,600. At the close, right? We can't just wick up again. We need to sustain this move up. So if we're able to maintain this 31,000 level all day, it's going to be very good. If not, it's just going to be another wick, and we're still going to be using 30,600 as a pretty strong level of resistance. NASDAQ basically break even on the day today, retesting these recent highs. So NASDAQ touching 13,864 at a recent high. A week and a half, 2 weeks ago, and now we're touching at 13,800 again today, but pulling back just slightly right now for 0.01%. I mean, that's break even if you ask me. So AMC 448, GameStop sitting at 24.41, Dogecoin 6.7 cents, Ethereum 1961, Shiba Inu coin 772, Bitcoin 30,972, looking very good there. Mullen, man, I was looking at it this morning at 11 plus cents. It was up 5%. I'm like, oh man, is it time to get in Mullen? And then the answer was no. The answer was no, because it's down 5% right now. Sundial sitting at $1.41. I will. There's a very good chance that I'm going to be getting into Mullen Auto when it hits 1 cent. I'm telling you right now, man. Go grab 1 million shares of Mullen Auto, be a Mullen millionaire, then he'll come out and dilute it by 100. And you'll be walking away with almost nothing. Oh, gosh. Sundial sitting at $1.41. We got the SPY 443, BBIG $1.31. BBIG doing pretty good today, up 7.8%. Highcraft Mining up 8% of the day, $31.90. Netflix $437. The QQQ $369, break even today. Ape sitting at $1.76. MPW $9.51. Tesla $270, stinking 7, man. Tesla up 6% of the day. And Novix, dude. Gosh, man, J-Bones is rich. PID sitting at $18.19, and Joby rolling back up above $10 per share, sitting at $10.30 at the moment, up 0.34%. Overall, decent day so far, guys. Now, like I say, it is going to be a short trading day. The market's closing in about 45 minutes now, so please be aware of that. Sup, bros? What's going on, J-Bones? Lamar loves you. Hey, Clay, please do a video on Nano Dimensions. Lamar, man, maybe I will. Maybe I will. I got to look into Nano Dimensions a little bit more. I've done some videos on them in the past. So I know a little bit about what they do, but I am definitely out of the loop. So I'm going to have to get back in the loop if I'm going to do some videos on them. Decided to take the day off and install Weeble on my desktop. Been setting up paper trading and more. Up $220 in paper account. Boom! That's what I'm talking about. Kalani looking good, man. $220 in a single day. You are killing it, Kalani. Sup, bros? What's going on, J-Bones? Glad to have you, man. Pioneer Natural Resource. What's your thoughts? 12.5% dividend return. First thoughts. Is it a sustainable dividend? Pioneer Natural Resources. I wish you would have told me the ticker. Is it this one? Pioneer Net? Yeah, dividend yield about 11% right now. I think this is the one that you're talking about here. All right, let's see what we've got. We've got a decently steady graph here. This is not a bad graph long term, going from $4 in 1999 up to 260 right now. So this is a pretty solid long term company. The dividend does seem to be sustainable, right? They've been paying a dividend $3.34. Ooh, $5. So they did cut the dividend a little bit. $5.58. You've got $5.71. You've got $8.57. Okay, so this dividend is pretty sporadic on a quarterly basis here. $7.38. I think the dividend yield can absolutely go up. Wow. Heavily increased the dividend since 2021 there. Oh, just a... You know what? That might have been a supplementary dividend. Yeah, supplemental dividend, because they paid one at the beginning of December and then the end of December. So that was a supplemental dividend. That one don't count. That's supplemental. That don't count. This one does. $1.50. So dividend continues to get better and better as the stock price goes higher and higher here, which is very good news. I have no idea what these guys do. What do they do? Natural resource company is independent. Oil and gas exploration and production company. All right, let me say this. All right, these guys are producing oil and natural gases and so on. It's very interesting to me that they have been able to maintain such a nice chart despite everything that it seems like the current administration is doing to tear down natural gas. UNG is a natural gas index, and this has been blasted over the last couple of months. Just August of 2022 to where we are now, a 1-year time frame, has gone from $34 down to $7. If you're looking at Boyle, okay, Boyle is another natural gas index, ETF. Over the last year, this has gone, man, from $2,800, and this just split, so please keep that in mind, $2,800 down to $65. So I'm actually surprised that Pioneer Natural Resources has been able to do as well as they have, knowing that natural gas prices are as low and dying as they are right now. So I think natural gas, dude, I don't know if we're going to get an alternative to natural gas, right? I really doubt that we do, so I think it's got a future. But it's very strange to me that, you know, people want to make natural gas illegal. I don't get that part. 85 degrees on the golf course. Beautiful day to be smacking some balls, baby. Oh, yeah. J-Bones. Very nice, dude. 73 degrees and cloudy right now, so you got a better day than we do. I'm sure we'll be throwing some clouds your way. Thanks for the welcome, guys. Absolutely, Abe. Glad to have you in here, man. Nano Dimensions crushed earnings. They're now profitable. Haley Carr, very good. And Jay Sawyer, cool. Also, Bone is moving today. I may be late to the party. Nah, Jay, I don't think you're late to the party, man. I think that Bone's main catalyst is going to be Shibarium, so I still think that you're early to the party, knowing that Shibarium has not been released yet. Let's take a look at Nano Dimensions real quick. People seem to be interested in it, and it might be touching resistance. Okay, it is touching resistance. So we put these, I think I put this line on the chart a while ago, or I may have just put this one on the chart last week, but this one I put on the chart a while ago, and this support held up very nice this time. Bouncing off, had a beautiful gain back here in May of 2022. Bouncing off, had a beautiful gain back here from December to March. Okay, bouncing off, had a beautiful gain. Every time, though, guys, you see the channel that we are in, okay, this is resistance, this is support. For the last, oh, man, I mean, you can kind of, you don't have to call it this following the channel if you don't want to, but knowing that the support held up, let's just say from this area in here. So for the last nearly year and a half, Nano Dimensions has been in this channel right here, bouncing between $2 and $3 per share. Now, clearly, if you would have taken advantage of it, you would have $2 to $3, 50% gain. $2 to $3, another 50% gain. $2 to $3, 50% gain. You would have been able to make a 50% gain at least 3 times in the last year and a half. And of course, if you're making a 50%, a 50%, a 50%, and you're continuing to compound, you are up drastically, more than doubling your money easily over the last year and a half here. I know a lot of people probably want Nano Dimensions to rocket higher. There is a great chance that it does if it is now profitable, if earnings are looking good, and so on. But please be careful, because every time for the last year and a half, this $3 mark, I mean, this ran a little higher, but it is held up as resistance. So just don't give up all of your profit if you are currently profitable on Nano Dimensions. I think Meet Kevin just bought Nano Dimensions, and that's why some people are talking about it. Garrett, it is possible, man. It is possible. Meet Kevin is an actual influencer, so when he goes out and buys something, people want to buy it, and that's probably why they are talking about it. J-Bones! Chris says, J-Bones, what, 82, 83 degrees? Supposed to only have a 20% chance of rain, but it's been going on and off all day. Sucks working when it's only for holiday pay. Oh my gosh. Well, dude, if you're making holiday pay, you're still doing good. Holiday pay's good, man. It's been in the 90s and 80s here for over 2 weeks. Dang, dark, bro, man. 73 and cloudy right now. And it was rainy, like, all week, too. You guys got better weather for sure. Let's see. How much Pepe do you need to make $100,000 in the bull run? Excellent question. Hemi Life. So it's going to depend on the variables, right? Let's just assume, let's make the assumption that Pepe, during a bull market, can run to the same price that Shiba Inu coin is basically currently at. So let's give Pepe a 10x potential during the bull market. Clearly it can be a lot higher, but we're giving it potential to basically reach a $5 billion market cap. If it can 10x, you want to make 100 grand, you would need to put 10 grand in. Now, okay, if you believe that it can do much more than that, if you believe that during a bull market, Pepe will be able to reach the same levels that Shiba Inu coin reached in the previous bull market, because it all depends on the variables and what you think is possible, all right? If you believe that it's going to reach the previous levels of Shiba Inu coin, that's roughly the $50 billion mark. So it's going to 10x even from there. So then you could see 100x gains in Pepe, and $1,000 would take you to a $100,000 profit on Pepe. I'd be highly skeptical that you could 1,000x. 1,000x would take Pepe to about a $500 billion market cap. To me, I don't know if we're going to reach those types of prices in meme coins during the next bull market. I think you might need much like higher potential or many more years down the road before we kind of reach those levels in meme coins. So I would say if you believe it's got the price appreciation potential that Shiba Inu coin had on the previous, you're looking at a 100x gain from the current levels. If you believe it could do better, you would need less, but those are based on the outputs, and then you can determine from there what you believe is possible. Oh yeah, bro, another like 90 degrees and 63% humidity. Hey, you're in a sauna, man. Also, ignorantly short-term attention span. Everyone been complaining about the hazardous air quality from Canada, but we'll forget all that tomorrow once we smoke the air up here. American spirit. Yes, it is true, man, but I will say... That air quality was ridiculous, dude. It was bad, man. It made me start coughing last Wednesday, Thursday night, dude. I was coughing, and the air purifier said that it was like 276, which is like 24 points short of hazardous. And definitely at the dangerous levels or at the not good levels. But yeah, dude, the air quality was terrible. I really think, and this, correct me if you guys honestly think I'm wrong, but if I go out and accidentally dump toxic waste into a water supply, the EPA is going to be all over me, and I'm going to get fined, sued, and probably held criminally liable for accidentally poisoning the water supply. I don't care if it was an accident. How is Canada not being held liable in some way by the EPA for literally destroying the air quality? I mean, I get it if it's an accident or not, okay? Some people don't believe those fires are an accident because they spread and started in so many different locations at the exact same time. So some people don't believe that it was an accident. But even if it was... How is the EPA not all over them for polluting the environment and poisoning the air supply. I think they should be. 3D printing might take off like AI did. Yeah, Ronald, here's the deal, man. You never know. So I truly believe that people have unlimited potential. You just have to be willing to tap into it. Now, I know that we are not here yet, but when AI starts to be more than just a prompt, when AI doesn't even need, I guess, doesn't even need a prompt anymore, doesn't need me to go in and type in some inputs, and all it does is spit out an output. When AI can actually do something, or actually put the prompts in itself, then you're talking. And when you bridge the gap between the letters on a computer screen that it can type out and the 3D printing capabilities and 3D world capabilities that AI could actually have, yes, you are definitely on the right track at that point. And you could see major, major breakthroughs. So if AI has an idea for a product, right, not dependent on somebody else's input, but even if it is dependent on somebody else's input, if AI gets an idea for a product and it can create that product with a 3D printer, dude, all of a sudden, you know, you're breaking the norm. You have massive, massive opportunity. So yes, if Nano Dimensions and their 3D printing all of a sudden gets involved with AI, and they could revolutionize the game there. Are they going that direction? I have no idea. But dude, when you introduce AI to actual real world applications, yeah, dude, you're gonna see some major breakthroughs. Microchip, yeah, so they do like 3D, Sarah. They do like 3D printing of microchips from the last time that I looked into them. Now, I'm not 100% sure what they've been up to and all of that stuff. So instead of like, I guess it just allows them to create smaller and more intricate computer chips. That's the best that I could come up with. But it's been a while since I've looked into them. So in the simplest form possible, yes, they do microchip stuff, they 3D print microchip stuff and stuff like that. So I could be wrong, and they may have changed the course of their business, but that's the last that I knew about them. Nano Dimensions is another name for Quantum Realm. Just can't say that for copyright purposes. You can't say the Quantum Realm? Really? Or you can't say Nano Dimensions? Which one is it, man? Is it Quantum Realm or Nano Dimensions that I'm not allowed to say? What? Told you about Pendle. I bought it 4 cents 6 months ago. Giovanni, I do remember you telling me about Pendle. Let's check out Pendle. This bad boy bought in at 4 cents. Hold on. I lost power for like, I don't know, 20 seconds over the weekend. I gotta pull up. Chrome and get it set back up here. So, hold please. Got him. All right, cool. So, looking at Pendle, Pepe 2.0 is currently at a $15 million market cap, half price of where we saw it at a $30 million market cap last week. Now, looking at Pendle, yes, you did tell me about Pendle. Guys, he's not lying. I do remember him talking about Pendle. I don't know if he bought it at 4 cents or not, but if you did, Giovanni, you are rich, my friend. You are rich. Oh my gosh, dude, a 22x gain in Pendle there. Giovanni, if you're still holding and you bought it 4 cents, congratulations to you, my friend. Congratulations. I don't know how much you bought in with, but absolutely destroying it, man. Oh my gosh. Guys, round of applause for Giovanni. If he actually bought in at 4 cents and he's still holding it 22x later, Very nice. Nano Dimensions, oh, there's another one coming around. Got that. Nano Dimensions uses AI. Deep learning already. It's pretty wild what AI is doing. Yeah, Samuel, it really is. And I know that when AI breaks out to the next level, it's going to be even crazier. Bro, doing an afternoon stream just because I'm going to take Junior to the park. I don't know, Dark Bro, you can take your kid to the park if you want. You don't have to be in here during the afternoon stream. I haven't decided yet. I'll probably decide like right at 1 o'clock or right at 4 o'clock. So we'll see. Here, let's get started. Moji, what's going on? Moji, did you ever get your shirt? I don't have to look into the fact that they might have sent it back or anything like that. Did you get your shirt? Bones kicking Dad's butt in golf. He better be. Clay, fun fact. Marvel only came up with Quantum Realm because DC owns the right to a microverse. Interesting. Yeah, people really own the rights to a word, but I'm the dumb one for realizing that's dumb. They own the rights to the word microverse. That's strange to me. That's strange to me. I guess you can copyright stuff. I mean, I guess. But, dang, dude, I can't even use the word microverse because they own it? Well, guess what, DC? Microverse. Psh. Nope, he's up 2 strokes. Is that good or bad? He's up 2 strokes. Shouldn't he be down 2 strokes right now? If he's winning, he's down 2 strokes. Being up means, you know, you got more. I don't know, man. I'll never understand golf. Still holding, but we'll go back. Oh my gosh! But we'll go back to over $1. Giovanni. Oh my gosh. Giovanni, man. Here's the question: is it? And this is on you because I don't know anything about Pendle, right? And I do remember you talking about it. That is incredible. Now I'm kicking myself for not buying some Pendle. But is it worth another? I don't know. 18% gain from where you're at right now to get up to that $1 mark. You're already sitting on a 2,200% gain. Is it worth another 18% from where you're at right now? I don't know, man. Do not lose that money, Giovanni. When he misses a putt, tell him, I'm guessing pink. The color of your... Man, I'm never going golfing with you guys. You guys are trash talkers. Nope, not yet. But I took my dad's Father's Day card. 10 days to get there. USPS raising. Oh my gosh, dude. Moji, how do you not have that yet? That's ridiculous. Moji lives out in the middle of nowhere. I'm just going to call it that. J-Bone's got his hoodie in like 2 days. I'd like to hear more about Nano Dimensions. Seems like it has potential. Chris, it really does have potential. All right, let's go look at some of the, if you want to hear some more about it real quick, let's go look at the financials right now. So we don't have any financials from 2003 posted on Weeble here, and I have no idea why. No idea why we don't have any financials from 2003. Or 2023, 2003. We better have those. So I can't actually do a very good job of looking at the reports there. Because this is all old news. So never mind. Even the balance sheet, the income statements, all old news. Never mind on that. We can go out to Yahoo and look at it if you want. But people saying that Nano Dimensions is finally profitable and they have positive earnings. And therefore, that's why you're seeing the gains over the last couple of days that you are. So, a great weekend with scares. I thought 2.0 had rug pulled, and apparently people were just dumping the coin. Silver coin dropped to and I $1 down. Very nice. Kenneth, man. Kenneth, how much Pepe you sitting on now, dude? Pepe 2.0. You're rolling with it. Chris Percoco, look at their balance sheets. Lamar loves you. Do it. It's not in Weeble. We can go pull it up in Yahoo Finance if you guys want. Yes! I was at nearly... Oh my gosh. It was at $1.50 yesterday and it's at 83 cents today? Oh! He's not even kidding, man. Oh my gosh. Dude, Giovanni, you are a rich dude, man. You are a rich dude. If this, you were sitting on like a 40x gain and you didn't take it, you're killing me. Giovanni, you are killing me right now, man. You got 40x gains like that. They're not always sustainable, man. They're not always sustainable. You could have got back in today for half price and either bought twice as much, or just been completely rolling on profit by now. don't lose it, man. Don't lose it. Oh, Giovanni, you killing it. Chris Spallrud went down. I met a bad dude named Kang who is about to mess a bunch of crap up. Nano Dimensions, name pending, summed up. That's the quantum realm. That is the quantum realm summed up, not actual nano dimensions. So the first profitable quarter, nice. Lamar, very good. Bone doing well today. Let's look at Bone, because you're the second dude to say that Bone's doing well today, and I have not looked at Bone's price. Let's see. Bone, Shiba swap, up 11%. It is doing well today. Bone back up above that $1 mark at $1.06, $7.5 right now, $8 right now. Very good. Over the last 7 days, looking very good over the last 7 days, looking very good over the last month there. Now, on an annual basis, we can see that we are approaching a pretty decent level of resistance, 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 resistance. If it is resistance again, guys, watch out. Okay, watch out if it begins to curl back over here. But people may be getting pretty interested in Bone for 2 reasons. Number one, it simply bounces off this support level over the last year that it has found in the upper 60s to lower 70s. You can see back here in November of 2022 bouncing around 60 to 70 cents. And again, down here, tapping that level, 60 to 70 cents, bouncing off of it. If this is a technical move higher, you're probably going to get caught up in this dollar resistance area. So be careful if it's just a technical bounce. It may not be a technical bounce, and it may have some fundamental catalyst driving it higher. And that is the fact that people are really beginning to speculate and think that Shibarium is going to be released this month. If Shibarium is not released this month, and that's what's driving the price of Bone higher right now, you're going to see it fall back down. So watch out on that one. Either way, man, it's a pretty speculative move higher, especially if it's being driven by the Shibarium news and Shibarium is not released. So watch out, make some money, and have some fun in Bone. Nope, Burbs of Phoenix. Well, Phoenix doesn't care to deliver your mail on time then. 23 billion, Pepe 2.0. Ow, ow, ow. It's magic, hey, you know. Very nice, Kenneth, man. All we need is Pepe 2.0 to $1, and Kenneth is going to have $23 billion, ladies and gentlemen. They have $1.3 billion in assets. Most is cash, almost zero debt, which is a great... Oh, yeah, Lamar, that is a massive, massive balance sheet, if those numbers are right. I have a bad habit of holding. Oh, Giovanni, just don't... Listen, man, me too. All right, it's all right. Don't think that you're the only guy that holds too long or holds too far. You're not. All right. There's a lot of people out there that have a bad habit of holding and not taking some profits or taking profit and so on. Touching $1.50 yesterday, you are right. It can absolutely bounce back and bounce back very big. Okay. So just don't get into the mindset now, though, that it has to bounce all the way back up to $1.50 for you to be able to take your profit. It might not make it back to $1.50 so easily. It could, but it just might not. So don't be afraid to protect some of your profits because you are sitting on a phenomenal gain, man. Even if you took $100 to $2,200, that's a phenomenal gain. So congratulations on the gain right there. It is incredible. What's your favorite ice cream? You know, I don't like ice cream that much. I'm not a huge dairy guy. So I would probably have to say like a sherbet type of ice cream. If you're going like milkshake type, like a cherry milkshake is pretty good, dude. But I can't do a ton of ice cream. It just doesn't sit right with me. Price do you think Lunk will reach during the bull run? Daniel, I would love to see Terra Luna Classic back at its all-time market cap high. All right. Now, if it's at its all-time market cap high around $40, $50, $60 million, here's the thing. I don't think we reach the amount of burns that we want before the next bull market begins. Therefore, you're looking at a Terra Luna Classic at those market caps between basically a half a penny to a penny. Now, that is a massive gain from where we're at right now, man. That is a huge, huge opportunity. But it's not like you're going to be able to go out there and buy 1 million Terra Luna Classic and end up with $1 million. That's not going to happen during the next bull market unless we burn 90 to 99% of the supply. Burns are very important if you want those higher numbers. John J., what's a squeeze? A lifetime ago, we were once promised the mother of all short squeezes, now lost in space and headed for the nano dimensions. Chris, you're right, man. You're right. We were promised a short squeeze, guys. And then Adam Aaron walked in, and Adam Aaron got his short squeeze. Adam Aaron got his short squeeze. Selling to the shorts. Adam Aaron got his short squeeze. He made like $40 to $60 million personal. Like that's his net worth that he added there. It was $40 to $60 million. Generational wealth for his family, unless they're dumb enough to squander it. And then he raised currently, or so far, nearly $2 billion for AMC. And he has the intentions of raising an additional $16 billion through dilution through the coming years. So Adam Aaron got his short squeeze, man. He got his. Nobody else got one because he got his. Oh, and Terra Capital also got theirs because they 5x. They made about $500 million because of Adam Aaron on that one. Rocky Road is the best ice cream. Rocky Road, huh? Anybody else like ice cream in here? Are you going to Ape Father's meet and greet in July? I don't have any intentions of going to the Ape Father's meet and greet, but that does sound like it would be fun, man. The Ape Father, it seems like a very fun guy, and I'm sure whoever does go to that meet and greet is going to be entertained non-stop from start to finish. Billion, Clay, bro. Well, Adam Aaron made like 40 to 60 million, but the AMC, yeah, they made $1.6 billion. They had $1.6 billion in cash at one point. He raised about $2 billion. I need to get another debit card and re-up my stats. There you go, Mr. Brian. Let's get that green name again. Come on, man. Moji, maybe I will get a green name for my belated birthday. Quite possibly, Mr. Brian. Great! Everyone anticipating bull market returning soon out of the bear market. Usually lasts 1.5 years. Where are we in at that? Right at that mark, man. We are right at that mark, Chris. And we may have already had the bear market play out. Okay. Now, the bear markets in crypto are a little different, okay? And I believe you're probably talking about stocks, but the bear markets in crypto are a little bit different. But, yeah, man, let's look at the S&P 500 here on the SPY. You could see, let's go monthly. You could see the 2000, the dot-com bubble bursting here. You had some pretty rough declines for, yes, the end of 2000 to the very beginning or the end of 2002. So that right there is your 2-year mark. 2 years of declines. And then didn't regain new highs for, another 5 years. So that was your bear market there. Lasted about 2 years. 2008. You got that dip down in 2008 from the end of 2007 into the very beginning of 2009. There's your 1.5 years or so. And then the bull market begins. You don't begin to reach those new all-time highs for another few years afterwards. But if you look at this one, I'm not concerned about this being a bear market. This was a massive bull market that lasted well over a decade here. 2020, lockdown lows, man, that's not necessarily a bear market. That's a very, very strange occurrence. And it bounced back nicely very quickly. This bear market that we may have had here, okay, took about 1.5 years, right, from the end of 2021 to the beginning of 2023. So we are in that 1.5 year phase right now, but we may have already had the bottom in place. Now you can see that we have risen nicely. We are not yet back to the all-time highs, but 2023 has been very nice to people so far. 30% gains in the overall market since the beginning of 2023. That's in the NASDAQ. The S&P 500 might be a little lower. But regardless, 2023 has been a beautiful month, and it is continuing to follow this monthly incline that we've got here. We may see a pullback this month, guys. You know, I don't know. We may see a pullback here. But if we do, this very steep recovery line may continue to hold up. This may have been the bear market. Okay? Now, any catalyst could obviously turn this around. But the bottom may have been in, and we might be experiencing gains now. The thing that you might not be seeing yet, large cap stocks, Google, Amazon, Walmart, all of these very large players out there are driving the price higher of the NASDAQ, S&P 500, and so on. What we're not necessarily seeing is a trickle down into the smaller cap stocks like AMC. AMC is not recovering at the same pace that the overall market is. So small, mid-cap companies have not yet experienced the level of confidence that the large cap companies have. Why? Let me put it, and this isn't guaranteed. Nothing is guaranteed, but as simply as I can state it, when you've got these risk-on, risk-off scenarios, what happens is the riskiest assets lose value first, the safest assets maintain. So when you're going from a risk on to a risk off, everybody flows out of crypto, everybody flows out of stocks, everybody flows out, leading from the large cap stocks are the last to lose. And then when you start to flow back in, they're the first to gain because they're considered the safest. And then when people are just wildly throwing their money at the riskiest of risky assets, like meme coins, that's when you know that we may be at peak greed and we may be at the peak of a bull market. So please keep that in mind. These cycles and the cyclical nature of the market are extremely important. And we may already have a bull market going on. Moji! Thank you very much, Moji. Hooking Mr. Brian up. There you go. Moji, man, thank you very much. You guys know what to do. Throw a thank you out to Moji right now. Mr. Brian, make sure to get that thank you out there. Absolutely appreciate that green name, Moji. Guys are looking good. Jennifer's going to get one, too. Oh, yes. Come on, Bullmar. We need good runs for more consecutive days or weeks, please. Jennifer, I agree with you. Attaboy, Mr. Brian getting it from Moji. Very good, guys. Let's see. Hope you do that Nano Dimensions deep dive this week, brother. Lamar, man, me too. I don't know if I will, but I mean, if you guys want a video on it, I can do a video on it. I should be able to do a video on it. MiniMetamon.com launching today. See the profile picture? That profile picture is sick, JB. It is sick. Very nice. And thank you, JB, for 2 years, bro. My goodness. It's crazy to think that people have kept that green name for 2 years. JB, dude, thank you very much for that. And if you guys want to check out MiniMetamon.com, make sure to check that out. I don't know if links actually work in the chat here, guys, but please check out MiniMetamon.com if you guys got time. Want to check? You know what? Let's just look at it and see what it looks like, so you guys can get a little bit better of an idea right there. MiniMetamon.com. Let's see what this says. MiniMetamon.com. All right, what do we got? If you guys are going to be going to that website there, MiniMetamon.com. Ooh, very nice website. Click the switch to turn the Metamon on. That switch, it's blinking. All right, I don't know. Listen, if this starts playing stuff, all right, hold on. I can't do it. I don't know if they're gonna get me if it starts playing Game Boy sounds and stuff like that, man. So I can't click on it with sound. But if you guys want to check that out, it did look pretty sweet. I just don't want any sounds playing in the background. And then nope, declined. Your monetization is now off. So yeah, we're not gonna be doing that. Sorry. You guys go check it out on your own. It did look like it is something that was going to be pretty sweet. I got a green name. Jennifer, you got a gray name right now, but you can get a green name if you want a green name. How does Nano Dimensions have more money than their market cap? I've never seen that before. Aglel Hijos. I've seen that before, okay? Now, there's several ways that this can happen here, okay? Number one, it's trading at a discount. You just have to accept that. Some stocks trade at a premium. People are willing to pay way more than the company is worth. Other stocks trade at a discount, okay? And if it's trading at a discount, then it could be a discount to its assets. It could be a discount to its future projected cash flows. It could be a discount for a lot of reasons, but it's simply trading at a discount. Doesn't necessarily mean that it's guaranteed to go up. Management could squander that cash. They could go out there and buy yachts for the company and just put the Nano Dimensions on the side of a yacht and enjoy it for the rest of their life. So, just because it's trading at a discount does not mean that it is going to go up in price. People are strange, man. People are strange. Some things that they're not willing to buy and some things that they are. Grammy Award-winning composer made the music, Clay. Well, regardless of who made the music, they're going to come after me. I know they will, man. If I could play like 6 seconds of stupid elevator music from Jerome Powell's press conference and get hit every single time after 6 seconds of the clip plays, dude, I'm running anytime music comes on, man. Anytime music comes on, you guys are going to see me clicking buttons and blah, 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 trying to not let YouTube hear. Moji, thank you very much for the member chat again. Moji throwing another green name out there, and Lamar loves you, grabbing that green name. Very nice, Lamar. Hey, at least they're going to people who are currently in the chat right now. Jennifer, you might be able to get one there pretty soon. And we've got Kenneth, a member for 7 months, baby. Kenneth's going on a year here pretty soon. I love it. Moji, thank you very much for that green name. You guys, everybody in here is going to have a green. We get Wayne Withrow with a green name and Jennifer with a green name. You guys will be green here pretty soon. I know you will. And 7 is wrong. It's like 15 months. Well, Kenneth, I'll tell you this, man. YouTube is wrong on a lot of stuff. They really are, man. YouTube is wrong on a lot of stuff. Jennifer, you have to enable gift receiving. Yes. Jennifer, click on that thing that Moji sent and enable your gift receiving. If you have not done that already, please do that. And then all but likely, Wayne could get one down there as well. But you're very likely to get a green name if they're not enabled right now. I think I'm done trading today. Don't want to get too greedy. Ended the day up $232 on the paper account. The practice will continue. Someday, it'll be real money. Hit the like, bros. Boo! Kalani. And it will be. It will be, man. It will. You'll determine whether or not you like to trade or you just like to invest. And some people really like to trade. Please keep it up, though. Because I'm telling you right now, keep it up until you start to lose a couple trades. And then go again. See that you can win and you can recoup and all of that. But do it until you're not even thinking about the money anymore, but you're just hitting your game. That's your game. That's your day. You're out. You don't need to get driven by the fact that I need to make more. Or crap, now I need to make this loss back up. Find why you're getting in the position. Okay? If you can find why you're getting in the position and it's not because you want to make a little bit more money, if you can figure out why you're getting the position and what seems to be working, simply more often than not, it no longer becomes about, I need to make an extra $50 today, I got to give this a shot, I got to take this risk, and so on. You figure out your entry. You simply enter. This entry was good. Next time, the entry might be bad. At that point, it's not because you want to make more. At that point, it's not because you think that this is going to go up. You're simply following your plan. And dude, you'll learn. Your plan is not 100%. Nobody's got a 100% hit rate. If they do, they're lying straight to your face. Then you realize, okay, well, shoot, this was just a loss. That's okay. In fact, statistically speaking, if I string together 1 or 2 more losses, it's okay because the next one's all but guaranteed to be a gain at that point. Figure out your entries, figure out your exits, and simply just play that game. dude, you are going to be a machine that doesn't get the emotions involved at that point. Lemon Lost, throwing out that green name. Thank you very much for the green name. Onion News Network. Onion News Network, I haven't seen you in here in a while. If you're in here right now, please say thank you to Lemon Lost. And anybody that has a gray name in here, oh my gosh, click the thing that Lemon Lost just sent. Enable your gift receiving. Jennifer, do it right now. Otherwise, you're not going to be getting a green name. And it's going to be going to other people. But Onion News Network has been in here several times. So thank you very much, Lemon Lust, for that green name. Everybody's going to be green in a second. Rip the camera off the computer and set it on fire. That's dark, bro. I'm close to it. Anytime some music comes on, dude, you got to do everything you can not to get demonetized by YouTube. It's ridiculous. What do you do? Whoa, man. Don't kick the camera. What do you do when you get pulled over and arrested for the 12th time for having no license? Just say, I think I'm going to prison this time, and keep riding your motorcycle around like my coworker is. Oh, God, dude. Oh. Well, down one coworker, you're going to have to find another one, Chris. That seems pretty dangerous, man. Hopefully, your coworker's all right, man, because that seems nuts. Nice. Frankinator. I'm telling you, man, I almost kicked the camera down there. Awesome, Lemon. Absolutely. Cowabunga, ladies and gentlemen. Clay, doesn't that mean you kind of have to have a betting mentality and not a gambling mentality? Here's the best way that I put it. Because my sister actually was, last Friday, right, I was going to play those options. And on AMC. I was going to play those options on AMC. I did not. I was working over to her house until it was too late in the day to buy the options. It was after 3 o'clock, and I couldn't open any positions that would have closed that day or would have expired that day. So I was showing her. A straddle position, and which means that on AMC, for example, if you chose the $4.50 strike price, depending on the price of the premium, right? Anything above like $4.60, you were making money. Anything below $4.40, you would have been making money. And it may have been a little bit wider of a spread than that. So she says, oh, so you can't lose anything. I said, no, you can lose. You can lose the premium that you paid if it ends between the $4.40 and the $4.60. So she says, well, that's just gambling. There's a difference in gambling, though. If you are gambling, you always have less than a 50% chance of winning. You are simply taking a chance where if you continue to play, it doesn't matter if you make $1 million on one win. If you continue to play, you lose at gambling. It is the odds. The odds are in favor of you losing. Now, that is why casinos can stay in business. It's excellent if you as a person go in, win, and quit. But because the odds, the best odds that you have at a casino are like 49% chance of winning. Anytime you continue to play, the casino wins. The house always wins. In investing, all you have to do is give yourself a 51% chance of winning. And then the same as the casino goes. Casinos got a 51% chance of winning, and depending on the game, it could be even better for the casino. But they've got a 51% chance of winning, which means that if they just continue playing, they make money. They win. Same holds true for you. So yes, in a sense, Chris, it's that sort of a mentality, but you have to keep going. So if you are going to be a trader, as long as you come up with a strategy that has a 51% hit rate, you're going to be making money. Now, I think that you could tweak it a little bit, get to a 55, 60, 70, 80, maybe, like if you're just, I don't know, the perfect trader, a 90% hit rate or something. So there's a lot of things that you can do to tweak it to make it no longer gambling or betting, but investing. Let's see. Did you do it, Jennifer? Jennifer did do it. I got gifts and name emoji. Yes, Kenneth throwing 5 green names in the chat. Boom, baby. Wayne got a green name. Jennifer got a green name. Precise Audio Blog got a green name. Gorilla Invictus got a green name. And Tony D got a green name. Oh, man, that's a stacked pack right there. Kenneth, man, thank you very much for the 5 green names. Emoji hitting up Livio Rivera. Livio Rivera got a green name. Guys, if you are in the chat right now and you just got a green name, please say thank you to Kenneth, and please say thank you to Emoji. And even if you did not get a green name, please say thank you to these guys as well. My goodness, thank you very much, Kenneth. Thank you very much, Moji. 5 green names in the chat, baby. Yes, and Jennifer's got a green name. You guys are looking good in those green names. I knew Wayne was going to get one. Wayne got one, and Tony D and Gorilla. I did not know you guys didn't have green names, but I'm very glad that they got one as well. And hopefully they see the email if they're not in here right now. Everybody grabbing green names. Very nice. Kenneth is quicker. Kenneth was a little quicker, but Wayne got it first. Jen got it second, so you're good on that one. Guys, somehow it's already past 1 o'clock, so I want to say this, okay? The market is closed. Let's see where the market ended up. The market is closed today. Weeble, yes, wrong one. This one off. So the market is closed, and we shouldn't have, I don't think we got any after hours trading because the market is closed right now, so not exactly sure how that's going to work out. But we've got AMC closing the day at $4.45. Shiba Inu coin obviously is not closed because it doesn't. Sitting at 771, but we might have a slowdown in volume because of the holiday tomorrow. Bitcoin sitting at 31,023. Very strong, but been sideways over the last couple of hours. GameStop finishing nicely into the close there, going up 24.96, up 3% on the day today. NASDAQ actually finishing strong. AMC finishing strong at 445. GameStop 24.96. Dogecoin 6.7 cents. Ethereum sitting at 19.64. Shiba 7.72. Bitcoin 31.022. Mullen Auto getting hit again, coming down to 10 cents, man. Sundial sitting at $1.42. The SPY 4.43. BBIG $1.32. Hycroft Mining 31.7 cents. Netflix 4.41. QQQ 3.70, looking good there. Ape sitting at $1.77. MPW 9.53. MPW looking good, 3% of the day. Tesla $280, man. Enovix 1882, solid gains, 4+%. PID 1816, and Joby down just slightly to $10.24 on the day. Overall, man, crypto looking pretty strong into the holiday. Stocks looking pretty strong into the holiday. I may or may not be back this afternoon. The markets are closed right now. Typically, we don't stream when the markets are closed. So just keep an eye on that. If we don't come back, I hope that every single one of you guys enjoys your 4th of July. Stay safe, guys. Don't go out and do anything crazy. Don't mix drinks with fireworks if you guys are planning on playing with fire. Always a bad idea, but have some fun. Have some fun. Just stay safe, having fun. You guys are going to be good with that. And market is closed tomorrow, so we're not going to have a live stream tomorrow. Just wanted you guys to be aware of it. Absolutely going to be back on Wednesday. We're going to be killing it. Everybody's going to be having fun, coming back refreshed from the little day off or holiday. Hopefully you guys got a holiday or making some extra money if you got to work on the holiday. But nonetheless, guys, get your names in the chat right now. We'll do some shout-outs, and then we will be back either at 4 o'clock or with videos tonight. Lemon Lust, man. Peace out. See you later. Lamar loves you. Enjoy your day. Moji, Lamar loves you. Lemon Lust. DD214. The Margo barcode the rest of the day. Yeah, I mean, it's supposed to close early today. So we might just have some after hours ticks. Watch the video I sent you. And all right, Kenneth, man, I'll check that out. Moji, see you later. DD214, Kenneth, enjoy it. Jennifer, happy 4th of July to you as well. Kalani, Tesla finished very strong today. 50 guys watching, 23 likes. Guys, click the stinking like button. What are you doing? Bull market, baby. YBM, I love it. Enjoy your day, my friend. Thank you as well, Lamar. Dark Bro, enjoy your day. Peace out to you, man. Even though whatever this is, love you. Peace out to you. I don't know what this means. Scott, see you later. D214, enjoy it. Click. Crypto's not closed. Yes, crypto never closes. Crypto's not closed, but the stock market is. If crypto is not closed, dude, technically we should stream every weekend, holiday, and everything. DD214, man, enjoy your day. Enjoy your holiday. Moji, man, enjoy it. I let the drink and swallow the fire. See what I'm saying? Moji, don't do that. It's dangerous. Don't like to drink and swallow the firework. Kenneth, man, enjoy your day. JB, congratulations on... Look at this chat right here. I know what he's referencing. Oh, God save the queen, man. Just do it. Metamon.com, minimetamon.com. Play it when you're not streaming so you don't get in trouble for any of the noise there. JB, enjoy your day. The site actually looks incredible. Dark Bro, Scott, J-Bones, Johnstontown, Lemon Lust, Mr. Brian, all of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.